Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, January 2, 2024, and here are the 3 p.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sur 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Tuesday, January 2, 2024. Here are the SL Sur 3 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piana Trading Supply Corporation for Tuesday, January 2, 2024. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for January 2, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.